Welcome. Today we'll address the common issue where you cannot set your iPhone time zone manually due to device restrictions. Step 1 is to check if your device is managed by your workplace or school, which could impose restrictions on settings. Next, navigate to Settings, then Screen Time, to see if there are any active restrictions preventing changes. If applicable, you may need to temporarily disable screen time to change your time settings. Ensure that location services are enabled for accurate time zone detection. It's essential to ensure that your device is running the latest iOS version for all features to work correctly. A simple restart can help apply any changes made to your settings. Let's do that now. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for further assistance. To recap, we covered all the necessary steps to troubleshoot your iPhone time zone issues. Follow along, and you'll be set in no time.